right. In the taxi with the cool cab driver right now, going to home ever. How you doing? Yeah. He says he's 62, I'm 29. He's a good guy. Driving around. Oh, it's dark. Oh well. I'm dark. Yes. The taxi. So far, I'm up to 2,200. Almost at home ever. Saturday night, man. Good time, right? Yeah, cool, right? Yeah, man. Hey, there you are. Cool, yeah. He's a good guy. So, we'll be back. Bye. Say bye.